Dear student, this is a lecture 6 of Z transform, and in this video I am going to discuss one method of inverse Z transform, that is long division method. So we will start with this question. Find the inverse Z transform of xz is equal to 1 plus Z inverse upon 1 minus 1 upon 3 Z inverse. When we will take two conditions. One, when ROC is greater than 1 by 3, and ROC, that is mod Z is less than 1 by 3, using power series expansion or long division method. As we know that when the ROC is outside of the unit circle, then the series is in the form of Z inverse. So we will start here with the long division method. Uh, this is denominator 1 minus 1 upon 3 Z inverse, and numerator is 1 plus Z inverse. So we have written here and started the long division. 1, where here we have taken 1, and after, when we will multiply 1 with this value, we will get 1 minus 1 upon 3 Z inverse. After subtracting 1 minus 1, 0, Z inverse minus 1 upon 3 Z inverse is equal to 4 by 3 Z inverse. Now next term we will get here, this is 1, and this is 4 by 3 Z inverse. So we have to take 4 by 3 Z inverse here, so that when we will multiply this term with 1, we will get 4 by 3 Z inverse minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 9. Z inverse into Z inverse is equal to Z raised to the power minus 2. When we will subtract this term from this term, we will get 4 by 3 Z. After that, here we got 4 by 9 Z raised to the power minus 2. Here we are having 1. So we will take 4 by 9 Z raised to the power minus 2. When we will multiply this term with 1, then we will get 4 by 9 Z raised to the power minus 2, and this term multiply by this term. So 4 by 9 into 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 27. Z raised to the power minus 2 into Z inverse is equal to Z raised to the power minus 3. In this way we get this. Here we get this series. This is xz, and in the form of Z inverse. So we have written xz here. Xz is equal to 1 plus 4 by 3 Z inverse plus 4 by 9 Z raised to the power minus 2 plus 4 by 27 Z raised to the power minus 3, and up to infinity. It is up to infinity. Now from this value of xz we can write xn. This is 1. There might be z raised to the power minus 0, so it is x0, 1, x0 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 4 by 3, x2 is equal to 4 by 9, in this way. Next, when the ROC is mod z is less than 1 by 3, then the area is inside the circle. So we get, it is a sequence that is left hand sided, so we get the power series at in terms of z rather than Z inverse. So we will put like this, denominator and numerator like. This is case 2 when ROC mod z is less than 1 by 3. This is inside the unit circle. So the xz that we will obtain will be expressed as a power of z. So numerator and denominator we have written here in the reversed order. Now we will start to solve it. Here we are having z inverse and here 1 by 3 z inverse. So to get z inverse we have to take 3, so that here when we will multiply this term with 3, then we will get z inverse. Minus 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 1, and z inverse, and when 3 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. We get this 1 minus minus 3 is equal to 4. Now here we are having 4 and here this term is 1 by 3 z inverse. So to get 4 here we will multiply with 12z. 12 into 1 by 3 is equal to 4 and z into z inverse is equal to 1. And 12z multiplied by 1, we will get 12z. In this way we have solved this, and xz we obtained here is minus 3 minus 12z minus 36z square. This is the xz that we have obtained here, minus 3 minus 12z minus 36z square up to infinity. Because this is a left-sided sequence, so we also can written it like this, minus 3 plus minus 12 into z plus minus 36 into z square and up to minus infinity like this. Now we can see xn is equal to minus 3 minus 12 and 36. These are the reference books. Thank you.